Welcome back, Freedom Savers. I mentioned in my Roth video, I tend to put most of the extra information that happened during the week in my Roth update. So if you're just watching one of my other portfolios like this one, instead of the Roth updates, you might want to watch the Roth update videos because those are where I focus most of the week's activities and what happened and problems I may be having or big news and that type of stuff. I try to mention them a little bit in these other videos, but I don't always get to them, and I don't want to repeat myself in 8 different portfolio updates. So the Roth videos, I highly suggest you watch the portfolio updates on the Roths, even if you're not really interested in the Roth portfolio. Just so you know what's going on with M1 Finance and updates in the week and all that good stuff. Anyways, this is the crazy aggressive dividend portfolio update. There has been some issues with the portfolios this week with M1 not tracking dividends properly. And that's all talked about in the Roth video. And I may mention it more in here if this is one of the portfolios that has the problem. Anyways, current value of the aggressive dividend portfolio is $1,656.95. I currently have $2.12 sitting in it. I deposited a total of $15.30 in this one so far, so we are up $126.95 or 8.3%, which is pretty awesome. Dividends, we've earned $10.79. We've been paid $5.63 in February and $6.06 in January. Let me just make sure. Oh, I did not. So let's fix that calculation. And we will add March right here, like so. And March, we actually got paid $2.04. Now, so this is one of the portfolios I've had a problem with the dividend tracking. I had cash just show up in the portfolio. I actually had $2.04 just show up in the portfolio. And you can see last time that this was completely updated, I got my last dividends. Here, I'll show you what I do. So when I get paid a dividend, but I haven't deposited anything, there's been no other activity, you get a pending transaction up here, and it actually shows the dividend being paid, and that money is actually put in your account already. It's not really pending. It's just pending, waiting for more activity. Well, I had this big list of dividends. Where to go? Right here. No. All right, here. So I had this big list of dividends that had sat here and accumulated that I'd been getting paid all that time. And then all of a sudden, $2.04, was it? Yeah, $2.04 just shows up in the account. And no activity. So I'm like, what? Where did this cash come from? Well, obviously this cash came from dividends paid to me, but they didn't show any activity. It didn't show the dividends being paid or where they got paid from. That is a problem. As I talked about in my Roth, if they can't track the dividends right, that's a deal breaker for me, and I'm going to be leaving M1. But I think this is a temporary issue, and I suspect that they are trying to update their platform to track dividends better, and they've just temporarily broke it. That's my suspicion. So I'll let you know the update on that next week. Anyways, back to the portfolio. We're up 8.3%. The dividends, I just showed you that. We got paid $2.04 from somewhere. I'm assuming multiple companies. Dividend changes. Did I not update this one either? Oh, damn it. That one is from last week. All right. So HTGC dropped theirs by 6.06% to $1.24. 35% decrease on CGBD to $1.48. And an increase on Maine by 2.56 to 240. an increase of 6.45% on acre to 132. And that is all of the dividend changes. And as you know, these, oh, I lied. Oh, really? ARK dropped theirs by 95%? No way. No way did ARK drop theirs from $1.68 to 8 cents. This one's been there for a while. That was a special dividend. This one, nope, that one's fine. There's no way they dropped this by 95%. ARCC. We need to go look at this, guys. Sorry about this, but we need to see what happened. ARCC. How did you do this? Whoa. They did. They dropped theirs from quite a bit to 38 cents, 39 cents, 39 cents, 42 cents to 8 cents. Uh-oh. 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 That's not cool. Why? Come on. Aries Capital Corporation. Top BTC pick yields 9.2%. Dividend hike and special dividends from Aries Capital. That was 2 days ago. They supposedly hiked it. Battle-tested BDC company. Solid history of outperformance. It hiked its dividend by 2.5% and declared a special dividend. Really? Let's come over here to finance, ARCC. Supposedly they have a 9.24% dividend, put out $1.60. All right, fine. Let's go into my tracking here. You can ignore my personal emails, guys. Dividends. ARCC. I got nothing from it in Seeking Alpha. I'm a little concerned about that. Because if they really dropped it to... Where did it... Oh, damn it. Oh, there it is. If they dropped it to 8 cents, which it looks like the declaration date was February 12th, my birthday. They declared all of these with ex-dividends on all these dates. June, okay, 6, 9, and 12, 2 cents. So these all must be special dividends. And so it's messed up my calculation. Okay, scared me. I was about to sell ARCC like super fast. So I'm just going to put special div here. And we're not going to change that on the yearly tab. So that scared me. Anyways, there we go. Like I said, this one doesn't scare me. This one doesn't scare me because these fluctuate quite a bit, these BDCs. So, all right, let's come over here. Let's adjust our actual calculation to 158.42 and put how much we actually did, 71 cents. All right, so one investing day this week. Why did I have investing day if I'm not depositing any money? Well, BGS, B&G Foods, dropped to their 52-week low, and I could not resist putting a little bit of money in and buying BGS. So yes, I did do that. I bought BG&S, 25 bucks of it. Unfortunately, their 52-week low was 22 bucks, and by the time my transaction went through, it had jumped to 23.28. Which was really annoying to me because I still expected to get it under 23. I knew it would go up a little bit, but I expected to get it under 23. I even went so far as to call them and like, why did you buy this at the highest possible price? And how was the price this high? Because I didn't think the price had even gotten that high during that time frame. Well, they gave me the exact time that this transaction went through, and sure enough, I pulled up the chart and it was it spiked up just at that time. And somehow I got the highest possible price. So that was really freaking annoying. Now, I don't know if you guys are familiar with high frequency traders, but basically what it is it's traders who own computers super close to the exchange, and so they can beat you to a trade. So any market buys, which a market buy means that you're not setting any certain price that you're willing to buy at. You're just buying at whatever the market offers the share at. So all the transactions from M1 Finance are market buys. They just buy at whatever price it happens to be at. Well, so when they go to process your buy, you say, okay, I'll buy it whatever the market price is. And it starts sending it out, right, to the exchange to buy it. Well, a high-speed trader, he's so fast, that computer automatically recognizes, it's all automated, and the computer automatically recognizes that there is a trade coming in because it has to pass through other computers before it gets to where it needs to actually process the trade. That high-frequency trading computer, it's so fast it can talk to the computers ahead of where your trade's coming from. So like your trade will go to one computer and then move on to the next computer, all the way to the exchange to get the share. Well, when it hits that first or second computer, the high-speed trading computer already recognizes that your sell is coming. And so it will automatically go out and buy that share before your order even gets through. And then it will sell that share back to you, which means that the price will be higher now. So that's how they make a profit. And it does, thousands and thousands of transactions a day, making pennies on every order and making millions and billions of dollars. And that's how they work. So anyways, the reason I told you this is because all M1's purchases are just market buys. And that would explain, as M1 grows and puts out more transactions, that there's going to be more slippage in the price. So when I put an order in and the price happens to be at 22, and then later, and then they put all the orders in, by the time 9/20 rolls around, and more people have bought BGS, that price just continually goes up, and the high-speed traders will spike that up by buying the shares before these actually process. And so you get a little spike, and then you end up buying it at one of the higher prices. And that happens no matter what brokerage you use if you're doing a market buy. So anyways, that's what happened, and it really annoyed me because it was such a big difference, and it was kind of a waste to throw my 25 bucks in. But that's okay. I own more BGS now. So that's where the buy came from, is I deposited 25 bucks. Anyway, I deposited 25 bucks, and we increased our yearly income by 71 cents. Giving us a 2.84% yield on cost. Overall, we're producing about $158.42 a year in dividends, or $13.20 a month. We are still getting a over 10% return with 10.35%. So that is the M1 aggressive dividend portfolio, guys, and I will keep you updated on the M1 situation and dividend tracking. I will see you in the next video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks guys.